Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to tackle a common problem beginners encounter while trying to save web pages. Come to think of this, it feels really bad and confusing when all you see on your screen after cracking your brain and coding the best tags you can ever remember, you want to see something like this. And sadly you have all your code looking at you directly on the screen. So the question now is the browser faulty? Is it outdated? Is there anything wrong with the code? When you are using code editors like Notepad or Notepad++, the default save as format is .txt. This means all the codes and write-ups will be saved as text documents. So you see, when saving your work, the first thing to consider is the file extension format. Is it going to be TXT for text, JPG for image, EXE execution for softwares, CSS, cascading style sheet, MP3 for musical files, or HTML for web pages? So we're going to use the web pages, that is HTML, not the TXT for text. Okay, check this out. Let's rename this file as a web page. Simply go to the file menu over here and then click on Save As. This is the Save As dialog box. So what do we have here? TXT, you see? And what we intended doing is to save the file as a web page file, that is using the extension HTML. So now right here, let's edit the extension to .html. Okay, I want you to be very careful here, because if you give a space between the file name, the dots, and the HTML, you will have similar problem to the previous one you had. So right here, make sure the file name comes in here, and then give no space and type in the extension, that's .html. Click on save. Okay, very good. I don't know if you observe something right here. I type everything here using lowercase. Well, it is recommended you save your files in that format. And please try by all means not to add space between your web page file names, as this can cause serious problems. So why not use underscore like this, or hyphens? You see, this looks more super. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do us a favor, smash on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell. Don't forget to like and share this video as well, and stay updated with our next videos. Take care.